30 years ago, Stephen Harvey brought us a collection of delicious recipes that has proven timeless. Recipe fads have come and gone, but this collection is extensively tried and tested. The Washington Cookbook is an unparalleled discovery of homegrown recipes from over 100 contributors. You'll find over 650 recipes in our 30th anniversary edition, many of which can't be found anywhere else. Gratifying green chili, scrumptious buttermilk cinnamon bars, mouth-watering cheese vegetable shortcake, saucy steak skillet, and hundreds more. Don't risk special occasions with mysterious recipes from the internet. If you buy just one cookbook for your kitchen, it has to be the Washington Cookbook. Call or go online now to order the Washington Cookbook for yourself or as a great gift. If you order today, we'll also send you a collection of Grandma Betty's favorite recipes, kept secret for 50 years, and they're yours free. You won't find this special offer in any store, so call the number on your screen or go to thewashingtoncookbook.com to order now. That's thewashingtoncookbook.com or call the toll-free number below.